Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I haven't done a blue look, I feel like, in years, to be honest, but might be wrong. So we're going to come up with a look today using this palette. Show you guys, it's really pretty. And I actually haven't used this palette yet, so I'm really excited to dip into the colors and stuff. It's really pretty and it's really exciting. So I'm gonna do my face makeup, I'm gonna do an eye, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I did it. This is what we got going on this eye. I don't love it. Don't love it. But we're already here, so I'm gonna show you guys how I did it on this eye. So we're going in with Blue Monday, which is the darkest shade. And I did prime with the Pete Louise base in Rumor 5. And I'm just gonna take it and like really get my brush in there, like, yeah, is like kept this shit and just tap into it because we want it to stick like in a certain spot very stiff. So we're just gonna keep doing this. You don't want to blend it out much, just keep tapping basically, because this primer is still wet, so dabbing it in is gonna make the pigment still pretty strong. So over here is a little bit tricky. You can get a smaller brush if need be, and you do want it to go like a little bit, a tiny bit above the crease. And for the inner corner, you don't really need to stretch it to the inner corner crazy. And then we're kind of gonna just go like this. So now we are blending, we're not tapping anymore. And the blues do fade easily, so if you're one to like put concealer on and then like set your face, don't do that. Or not set your face, set the concealer for your eyeshadow primer, don't do that. That's how I started off, because I've like just been doing that recently, because it comes out like a lot smoother, and it came out like super duper patchy and it just sucked, so don't do that. It's definitely not as pigmented and stuff, so basically you just want to have that round shit going on. You don't want to blend this out, however, you can take like a round fluffy brush, and we're going to go into the shade Blue Blood, and I'm cold. First I'm going to go into Blue Blood. I'm just going to take a little bit just to like go on the outskirts of it to blend it to another shade. Blending it really far out, we're just blending it kind of into and just like soften up the edges, because like as you can see, like over here my brush is obviously round, it's not like the exact shade. Yeah, it's fine if it kind of looks patchy. It's really honestly whatever. Blues are really hard, so just keep that in mind. Then we're going to take this like pointer brush and we're going to go in with I'm Cold, which is a lighter color. It's lighter blue, and I'm going to go like on the outskirts of then that color to blend this all out, and then you can just do like little swirls. I'm just going to go back in with my fluffy round brush to get in there again. And I'm going to take this brush again, and I'm just going to like blend these out, like the corner, so the outer corner and the inner corner. I'm just going to blend again now that it's like all set and there's extra colors there that helped it blend. So I'm going to take like a bullet brush like this, and I'm going to go into Flourishing, and I'm only going to go right in the crease, nothing crazy, just right in the crease. Get like a different color in there. And you can build this up slowly, because it's what I didn't do and I kind of messed it up. And then I'm just going to go back in with I'm Cold on the fluffy brush. The blending all depends on colors. When it's really hard to blend, like a blue or purple and stuff like that, like if they're hard colors to make and hard colors to blend, you really have to work with the gradient of the color. So dark blue, a little lighter blue, a teal in the middle. Like you have to work like that, and it'll definitely like hide any errors and just make it smoother and nicer. I'm going to do the halo eye, which I am going to show you guys. I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit more, and then I'll come back to the color of the halo eye. To start off, I'm going to be using a makeup remover wipe. I'm just going to take my Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to take concealer, which is this is the Born This Way concealer, the Too Faced Born This Way. So then I'm just gonna dab it on at first, and then we're gonna go to the top, the tippity top, So then I'm just going to take my beauty blender or sponge or whatever you have, just to not set it, but put the concealer in place so it doesn't move. So it's just like a bullet brush again, and I'm going into what's called Ocean Ice, and it is a glitter shade, and I'm taking this on the outskirts, so the outer corner, and I'm going to put it on the inner corner as well. I'm trying to blend it as much as possible, but it is a glitter like shade, which is unfortunate. I didn't really realize, but it's fine. Don't worry about the fallout on my cheeks. I'm just gonna brush it away and it'll literally be fine. Then I'm gonna go in with Ice Tray on my finger. I'm just gonna tap this on there. Then I'm just taking, I don't know what that says, but it's a white shimmer shade, and that's at the top of the palette. Why did that just work so good, but when I did it on this side it didn't? I'm gonna go back in with this. This is the blue like shimmer shade or whatever. I'm just gonna like that real quick. This brush to wipe away all the fallout of the white shade again, and I did that for the inner corner. Okay guys, so this is the final and finished look. Is that what I said? I don't know. I did my bottom lash line. I didn't record it because I'm in a date basically. But I just basically used the same shades on top, on the bottom, but they were just matte. I didn't use any of the shimmer shades. And then I used Lady Lashes in Lila. And then for my lip combo, where'd it go? So I used the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF. It's like the nude one. And then I used the NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in Dainty Days. And then the lip gloss is ColourPop's Luxe Lip Gloss in Ticklish. Look at me knowing all that shit. Okay, I'm serving. This is what I'm giving. Yeah. I don't know if I like it. I think maybe it's just my eyes. The eyeshadow look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I just like to switch up, you know, my vlogs for my makeup videos. I like doing both of them. I like filming both of them, editing both of them. So sometimes I know I kind of went on like a spree with the travel vlogs and everything like that. Just I had a lot of footage and that's all I had while my camera mode was broken. But I bought a new one. So I bought a new camera so I can do makeup videos now. If you guys don't want makeup videos, literally just say that. But I don't really film them for you guys. I film them for me because I love watching them, and they're such simple videos that I really enjoy watching and also making. So I hope you guys appreciate them and enjoy them just as much as I do, even though I kind of know you don't, but it's fine. It's fine. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.